Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Himal. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Tor browser in Ubuntu system. The Tor browser is a web browser that anonymizes your web traffic using the Tor network, making it easy to protect your identity online. You can also sum Tor as a network of virtual tunnels that allows you to improve your privacy and security on the internet. To install Tor of latest version, at first it's always better to update your system. Updating the system can take a while. You can skip this step if you don't have stable connection. After updating the system, close the terminal and open browser. Search for Tor browser, and download it for Linux. Now, open the download folder and extract the file. Now, go inside the folder, where start-tor-browser is located. Open the folder in terminal. Now, we need to run a command to active Tor browser. Close the terminal and search Tor browser. You can see it is installed in our system. Now we just need to connect to Tor server, and we are ready to go. You can check if it is configured or not by going to this site. You can see it is working. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to me.